Top 5 Best Hotels in Nha Trang, Vietnam. Hotels seem to pop up every day in Nha Trang, and Tran Phu Beach Boulevard, now popular for being lined with high-rise hotels, looked a lot more deserted 10 years ago. On this list, you will find both luxury resorts and second-tier resorts, catering to either leisure or business travelers looking to enjoy a sun-soaked escape in this beach city. Your experience in Vietnam will only be further enhanced by the world-class Vietnamese hospitality these hotels provide. 1. Intercontinental Nha Trang. Not much needs to be said about this one, as the Intercontinental has a reputation for being one of the best luxury getaways in any city. Among all the high-rise hotels that line up on Tran Phu Beach Strip, the Intercontinental Nha Trang under IHG Hotels is the most elegant and sophisticated of all. The hotel won Vietnam's Best 5-Star Hotel Award in 2017 from the Ministry of Culture. With 279 rooms, the premise also includes multiple restaurants and bars, 3 pools, and one of the best spas in town, among other facilities. With such a fantastic location, everything you would want is within walking distance: Nha Trang Shopping Center, the beach, attractions, cafes, local cuisine, and nightlife venues. It's the easy life if you stay here. 2. Sheraton Nha Trang Hotel Spa, Nha Trang. Opened in 2010, this was the first high-rise hotel down the famous Tran Phu Boulevard and set the standard for the rest to follow. Sheraton Nha Trang, a member of the 5-star international chain of hotels, has 284 rooms, all offering the amenities you would expect, including the signature Sheraton bed. There are 6 restaurants and bars, a spa, swimming pool, and fitness center among its facilities. With such a fantastic beachside location, the hotel looks like a standing ovation to one of the most beautiful attractions of Vietnam, the Nha Trang Bay. Altitude, located on the rooftop, is one of the best nightlife venues in the city and offers you a panoramic view of the bay and mountains, a stunning backdrop as you enjoy a high-class cocktail mixed by some of the best mixologists in town. 3. Diamond Bay Resort and Spa in Nha Trang City. The luxurious Diamond Bay Resort and Spa opened its doors in June 2008, and since then, it has become a popular spot for hosting international beauty pageants. Ideal for those seeking to get lost in nature or spend the whole day in a beach cabana, the resort is surrounded by white beach on one side and a landscape of lush greenery and mountains on the other. There's even an 18-hole golf course, tennis court, and a water sports center that offers kayaking, jet skiing, windsurfing, parasailing, and fishing. Being only a 10-minute drive away from the main city center, you will get the best of both the quiet and the chaotic worlds. 4. Sunrise Nha Trang Beach Hotel and Spa. Sunrise Nha Trang Beach Hotel and Spa is the only hotel in the city that is built in colonial style, ideal for leisure and business travelers. With 135 sea-facing balcony rooms, a Roman-style swimming pool, and private beach, this 5-star hotel is located right in the city center. Combining the unique culture and famous hospitality of Vietnam with modern amenities, Sunrise Nha Trang Beach Hotel and Spa is a great spot for enjoying Nha Trang. 5. Mira Resort Nha Trang. Mira in Vietnamese means sugarcane, and upon arrival, you will be given a tall glass of deliciously refreshing sugarcane juice. You just know your stay is going to be sweet. This condo and villa accommodation comes with a private beach that has uninterrupted sea views, romantic villas set on sand and cliffs, lush tropical gardens, swaying palm trees, plenty of dining options, an infinity pool, and private ones, a spa, water sports center offering a myriad of activities, a fitness center with yoga sessions, and a golf course. Mira Resort is nestled in a secluded area, isolated from the rest of the southeast coastline, providing a true getaway and allowing you to indulge in sublimely serene moments. It's the perfect place to go all out and treat yourself, while getting spoiled rotten.